each family is getting 2 boxes, so we're delivering 800 boxes to 400 families in the Sedgwick County area.
One of the biggest things why I volunteered was I was one of the families growing up back home that received a box for Thanksgiving, at least.
This is probably my favorite part of the year. We get hugs, we get tears, we get laughter. I mean, it's truly fantastic to see the emotion.
I'm so happy and I'm thankful, and I thank the sheriff department for delivering me this food, because I'd be struggling.
It's life-saving. It's just really caring. You know, there's shows that there are people out there that do care.
I understand, you know, times are tough, and then I have a passion to help people, so that is why I volunteered this year.
And I think it has just as much effect on us in law enforcement as it does to the community.
I love y'all. I love you.